Welcome back, y'all. Today we're gonna be installing a parking brake extension, the poor man's hydro, and a drift button. Nerp tech. That's about it. So this didn't come with any instructions, but from what I've been told, you start with taking off the parking brake. Make sure it's in gear if your parking brake doesn't work like mine. Boom. And then you remove this ring. And then there's a drift button here. So that works. We're gonna position this in first. I thought I brought the, oh, there it is. And that's it. Basically driving first, second. I have plenty of space here, which is like one of the biggest things that I was looking at. So third, fourth, fifth, of course, and reverse. I have space. First, second. I have about a thumb, two fingers, give or take, from one another, so I won't have to worry about it rubbing. This definitely gave me a lot more space than I thought it was gonna give me. But the next thing we're gonna do today is the pedals. They're kind of old and worn down, so I got some grip tape, and instead of buying new pedals or the ones that slip over it, I'm gonna put grip tape on them. This way. That looks good. Like that. Good guy. Yeah, go ahead. We're good. What you gotta say, Tyler?
Yeah, lip coming off, bro. Look.
Sheesh.
Hey.
Top it all. We're gonna go slide your car or what?
Huh?
Let's fix your car and slide it.
Yeah, I can go slide this one.
Ah.
Look, it says Auto LSD.
Welcome back to my garage. I forgot to film yesterday, so it's the next day. We just went driving with Tyler. It wasn't nothing crazy. Forgot what I was coming over here for. Yeah, so today we're gonna fix the parking brake on the old E36. That's about it. So that's a little too much. So what I'm gonna do, and now we're just gonna put it back together. So now that we adjusted both sides, we're gonna get in the car. Oh, it feels so much better. Feels just world of difference. I will say, driving with the grip tape, really like it. I really like it. It's been a lot better.